In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in AutoCAD drawings. Getting text to the right size is essential for clarity on screen and on printed sheets, and the process is quick once you know where to look. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can apply it right away. First, select the text you want to resize. This can be single-line text or multi-line text. Click directly on the text object to highlight it. If you need to resize several items at once, you can hold Shift and click additional text objects, or drag a selection window around them. Take a second to confirm you've only selected text and not other geometry. The grips should appear on your chosen text, and the status bar will show how many objects are selected. Next, open the Properties panel, type Properties in the command line and press Enter. The Properties palette will appear, usually docked to the side. If you don't see it, it may be minimized or hidden behind other panels. Just bring it to the front. With your text still selected, the palette will display information specific to text. If you selected multiple text objects, you might see varies for some fields, which is fine. You can still set a unified value. Now, under the text category in the Properties palette, locate the height field. This is where you'll specify the exact size. Enter the height you want as a numeric value and press Enter. The change applies immediately, and you should see your text update in the drawing area. Remember that this height is in drawing units, so if your drawing is set up so that 1 unit equals 1 millimeter or 1 inch, the value you enter corresponds directly to that unit system. If you're working at scale, choose a height that will read clearly at your intended plot scale. If the height field appears unavailable, it often means the text was created with a text style that has a fixed height. In that case, the height is controlled by the style and the object won't let you override it here. Selecting text created with an editable height will allow you to make the change in Properties. That's all there is to it. Select the text, open the Properties panel, and change the height value. This method is reliable, works for single or multiple selections, and keeps your formatting consistent across the drawing. When you're done, take a quick look at your layout or viewport to ensure the resized text reads well at the scale you plan to print. Save your drawing and you're set.